What's up everyone? Today we have here Akko's Starfish Switches. This is a part of their custom series and is a limited edition. So I really got kind of curious and wanted to try it out. Is this just good aesthetically? Let's find out. This is a 3-pin linear switch with 50-gram force actuation. And what's different about this is that they used a 2-stage spring to give you a different typing experience. Now let's use this on my RK68 Plus and I will tell you how it feels and what I think about it. After a few days of usage, I honestly love how they feel. It feels firm when you press down on the keys. And as a linear switch, it really feels smooth when you type. I also love that there's no pinging at all on the springs and there is minimal stem wobble. For its price of 600 plus pesos for 45 pieces in the box, this is definitely a bang for your buck. So that's my initial take. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.